talk the one wey don happen, another one don still dey come o. No be small thing my people. See wetin police Imo State youth don cry come outside for wetin police wey dey do them for inside that place o. This one now, if you hear this story, you need to watch this video to hear wetin happen for this story. How police take collect almost 200 and something thousand from this boy wey be say e no do anything o. The boy dey just see am o, na so dey do wetin dey go on for Imo State. Everybody now na yahoo boy for Imo State. If you say you no get money to give them, na so they go stick on tag you say you be IPOB. No be small thing. This na wetin dey happen for Imo State. My people will go find out how this thing take dey happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwozoku still dey here, dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. We dey for inside Imo State now. Wetin dey go on for that place? This information dey come through our brother wey dey call Nonso, and you go see this guy wey dey beside am for this picture, but you go watch the video so that you hear everything wey happen. Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, PC or CP. I hope you are seeing what is going on in Imo State. How this police brutality wey we say we don talk before, how it don start again for Imo State. If the youth now come rise tomorrow, they go say the police is your friend, stop this, stop that. Una don start now because of money. My people, let's watch this video and we'll come back and proceed.
Protect the Weak International Foundation. When a problem, especially when it comes to Imo State. Before. Now, basara mpabu ndu woji ayana eji waye kuye nke ọbụla mere nụ anyị na-eme ka ndị onye isi woji mara maka ya, so few days ago or last week ka anyị kwuru okwu ndị woji n'ebe ọgbakọ napụrụ otu nwokorobịa 1 million naira, and the CP Abokida Juma ebidola enyochawa ndị uwe ojii ndị ahụ n'ebe ọba ukwu possible tinted possible na promar 1 million. Just a few days ago or last week, the same thing happened. No J flyover, no over here, and only how the victim. So I'm going to go to on here, call Annie, go to here, that day. Okay. Penalty and
she Aqua, Namara Tamakoya. I'm afraid you won't come around the shop ammonia. So the weapon is going on now. You buy large, a plan of more from a few down the road about the trading. And you walk on I got a chalam apart from my girls. Now, but I'm passing towards the flyover. I'm a coin.
You come back flyover?
Yes, sir. The Wendy police, Gundiamiabo, Gundiamiabo, only Apogachari. The police on the inside the vehicle themselves. Oh, I chop you. But none of the driver, Yagaya, in here, you only get on now. So, I'm pushing. Hey, put on Molena.
They want to have
Abu Dilos. White. So ask him, hey, if you are doing this, ask him, who are you? Magawa, ask him, stop. This is what is it? Ask him, get come now. It's now with the student. How was it? Madam, I'm going for you. Entertainment. No, Ramasara, entertainment. Even show. Oh, you name it. Just to eat. Ah, Joam. Emma, honey, I eat you. My here was also because a man would actually pushing a Buddham, a man the how also how was the heart was him or to that how was him the neighbor one hammer fishing my everything we do not home for the apple open. So I'm not putting here I'm not sure about any government, as an ammunition. I'm looking like Onoshi Hano sometime ago. As me whom the family is our Gama coming in. A bell him, Hana Kumina, Hana Kumina, Hana Kum, Okum, Ochami, Hana, TV, had as a force one. Yeah, I'm Nebuna, Megana fly over. I'm a boy. A little bit. Yeah, on 6th January, Saturday. The mother, when I watch Mona, I want one young boy, have already. You already. So how was now coming here? How was in so that Apomaka, a mamma Youňg, a woman Youňg, has some phone on you, Namsui, so give me before non I had them Catonia, non I had them. Now won't phone is or one so phone a few years. How possible them or open now or never child. Living our home in our home. So, on your nannies, had it take. Indiana one then one of the policemen, Bonnie, I honey, come on, dance my game, and Moya Coline, and I'm more phone. Now, more aging ATM number, how much Hamaganaba, Memaganaba. Now, 100. How can you be so? Pakistan, that's. Young boy, won't be them. So, Hana do a little Sagram Gamon, but in a come now. Hana to come out young again, smile on us. And in him now, we will music and entertainment, album and upcoming artists. The book come now, people precisely, or anyone. Now, Chocolate Koran, that I have a role model in music, Yahoo flavor. So, 2 years ago, I will show you school name. I will go 1 naira, 2 naira, maybe much up. Now, I my ideas. So, as I watch, you look familiar, and I should talk. If I treat you, come with them, not talk on able because him, now, so, honey, one of them, came on even driver's side, came on you by the right. She knew how to Chama can't again. And when you call on there, I say, yeah, I let where I put the ball. Open my freezer before God and man. You know, like me, I'm 58 years or whatever. I'm more like you. So, after on my country, I'm 88 I'm $8 on account. The way you mention $8 on account. A boom. So now I want that they give a good in account. And we only have some ego and they confused. A good in account of John about boom now. You know, unable to threat. You know, Bank would be Mama. Oh, Johnny, yes, I'm Johnny. I will do now. And where don't you go? I'm not the way. What don't you go, man? About man, and on anyone and hand beside the day. Emma, Ojo Adam. Man, the driver, one you may bring in here, no one can by this side. Then no one cannot sign that, so covering here with Christmas. And the Christmas side, I want the smaller ones on here and able to cover children of one. Mandiam, non answer, 2 of the military men, non answer, cover children of one. So, Anna, say good in on account. Immediately, now, Bagari. How bar or jet flyover, warfare, but I got outside in Hadel, it got very safe more. Yari Tongo, from Galabe in Fujoso, probably return like Anna, polarism, now, even asking a hanging FM Naga, they can take care of me, EFCC, and I'm a back person, I'm a Yahoo, so I want to do it now. Only Tana, only get on Nago. As in the people, painting a fingerprint, call us some paper, my paper, call us some paper, help my paper. Like, you know, control. That's some paper, my app. Number paper app. My way that's I don't use your app. Then I give you some paper, my app. What are you looking for? Again, before God a man, so I can sign again. Maybe in that all I'm like, Ikago, I'm asking him. Yeah, was the only I he came back. Then Nama Koya fly over here. and I return again. I'm not going to fly over again. I draw one of the ladies not there. See, I check because never POS. Because ATM work at Gia, needing them down Mochi and Mogua. Before God a man of women, and she that everything. Yeah, so when I'm not trying to get in there. Now, just say, I want to join you. I'm going to go to them. I'm ATM. Only POS. Only POS. I'm about to glass. Can get no outside the arena. I'm no near again. So only POS. Because how one year is they actually go on account. Immediately, Yama Jiraka has someone on my ATM card. Email the woman's POS. System forcefully that I should put my PIN. I say, oh, I'm every day here. Only again, no one with only second because all is somehow smaller in size, or let me put it like that. Or I hope family. So I say, I have to say, I have to go because I want my language and then I come. So, Hansen, I gave it to not here. Maybe the Bewaka. Maybe the Bewaka. I'm going that. Yeah, home. I'm going to get home. I'm a poor friend. Who are you money? Nobody is feeding me. They go on account to that. 210,000. They just took everything. They took the whole money? Yes. Only POS charged 10,000 for them to pull out the money. Yes. 200,000 can have food because only POS charges the money. Hey, boy. For them, what I won't be here. I will never check the account on the money. After you check the account on fly over. In Gamma Goya here. Now, for them, go and go. Fly over. From Ghana, fly over. They are around about what's the one of the ladies. In my hand, they say, yeah, they don't have drag within themselves. Now, John, every people will notice more than Hacho. Now, in my hand, who is very pure as Hana people, so hearing them down the legs of Munoko. Then, how push one leg and that fly over, not that fly over, maybe POS, boy, as Yaka, or one man, and we're more with you. How body lady, say, when I cash. I go a heavy cake with it. That's how I need 200 or 100 or 150. Humans, each 100,000 per charge is 5,000. So, oh, human should with it, only POS, a blame on me because all that Korean or my name again, yet in charging here, man, yeah, my king. Because how can I pop if you don't get money, you go. I'm not all to work with any actual Mania. I won't charge black. And I can be a Mania. So, the work out as him, and I trust in that threats and a man. One of them, I got what you I got one game, I got Babu. I know when you got Drew as them, when you got more tools, even they will not see my body because when they get on you, it's like a woman or a driver man. Okay, so he was speaking English, who also got asked to the game. So, and then cause of one who go people, how would you be and I feel then the army think on us on any interrogation or what, but when I have any now, also because I'm not their motive over me. Honey, three of them at one, the army aboard one of the police at one. They may go down and so after he was here, Anna assistant Betty Namgama and get more so that everything with the women not time a Yahoo and who use ultimate food and when we know that you can even happen. I don't know to or we were changing it like here in the business. As they don't care. And by some of my fellow boys in a day, who what are you? But I never have I hope your job. Everywhere that's one of us over here with so I got him on my face like they were talking. My mother know who go against one person. And if I want to like explain myself, either I can't see or I can't go more things. So I was after I keep quiet. I have a mistake and harmful don't know that. But I remember more mama, their plan at the moment. It's going anyway. After then, the natural retire for out. After natural retire, and the boozer. When you guys get idea, it's immediate priority. Yeah, farmer.
So they have problem.
Or just like you here. Ever hand out Shabbat or Chamber, that's how one power wash not by the right. You sure, our way are right direct. One power wash, ever come that such a open. Man, put our home meaning, move on Chamber home again. Whoever comes to the money this year. Trade, my mamma, because when I don't take up, I get him more than when extra money. You cafe around about a Cleruchas Foundation. Gagidega, Jamus, your motor, airport to leave from or some Namakoya flyover. Namakoya flyover, no, is open. La Ghana, I'm going to get banned now. It is a mere about because the way you know, guy or my time is all I'm not your eye, your corner, not your eye, your.
Because here I know Commissioner for Police CP Abokidan Juma. God, they are way over for the Ina when I am down when he gets in all our people for Ghana. You know, but here in the jail we are what they are mama. Time I put them here, Bushuba Ike. No following the police, and the army and security agencies are with the state. They are highly indisciplined. They don't respect the CP, they don't respect any police hierarchy, they don't even respect the IG. They don't respect these people. You know, in Imo State, they said the Imo State, they are coming to Imo State to make money. They are not coming here to secure the people, they are coming here to intimidate the people and to rape them and to extort them. I and I cannot even agree. A commissioner for police that didn't learn under him, some of them are under him. And a jail, they need to be there to people. But when you reach and the police are there, and then no she, I got a swoosh. They are almost the same people, but they are upset. By the time you jail, another man here because he was the police, another person who another man here, who really knows a dosh. I told you that the CP that this is getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand. Investigate this, sir. Investigate this, sir. It can matter when you want a police. Yes. The same yes.
Ofonya wonya Hausa. Jami'a the only two. Ofonya wonya Igbo. And on Gonya Hausa another tribe but only Igbo. Otumeshi Gogologo dey Ejigbo thing. Amamiya. Am that way aga.
P0l ebe jere we go later. E ga mata.
Aga mata the place. Even the here on phone no more. US and
yes, I get here for people to see.
210,000. The prayer. The ban the P0l.
Okay, I get here, people will see it. But the man here, just to let the world know what is happening and what is still happening in Imo State. We are waiting for the CP to react. We are waiting for the police, Imo State Police Command to react. When we wait to actually react, we will let you know. Thank you very much.
My people, share this video because Imo State youth are our brothers. Waiting they go on for inside that place as we dey talk right now. E get as e be o. Only way you go take help them na to share the video so that the video people go know and see wetin dey go on. Anybody wey come for the rescue of Imo State youth fit come because this one e don too much. They no dey use eye see person wey carry better motor. They no dey see people wey dey buy people for there. They no dey see people wey dey carry people go inside bush. Police wey suppose come guide them now see dey carry them go one corner collect the one wey dem get. Which kind of life be this one, my people? Abeg make una share this video and make sure say you drop your own opinion for inside comment section. We will quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot.